Common causes of coughing again are acute bronchitis, viral illnesses. We touched upon the common viruses, influenza A and influenza B, and also sometimes COVID related viruses could cause acute coughing. Along with that, bacterial infections, pneumonias or TB, and not to forget, can cause a cough. We talked about asthma, postnasal dripping, gastroesophageal reflux disease, and we talked about cystic fibrosis, but equally we should talk about bronchiectasis, which usually means a dilatation of the airways, would not usually show up on an X-ray, and again would cause the coughing. A whooping cough in children especially is another cause for coughing.